Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka B.Rich Beauty, aka your beauty best friend, and welcome back to the channel. You know St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner, so I figured we would do a St. Patrick's Day inspired makeup. B.Rich Beauty style, of course. So, you know what to do. Grab your beverage. Let go. Sugar. You know, I'll take any reason to have a few cocktails for St. Patrick's Day. But in doing so, I said, why not create a St. Patrick's Day inspired look utilizing more of the shades from the MAC ProLongwear paint pots. We only scratched the surface when we swatched and did, you know, a quick eye tutorial the other day, and I want to play around with a few more colors. So we're going to do that. But before we do that, what you drinking on over there? I hope you have a nice, refreshing cocktail. Listen, I wanted to be a little fancy, so I did some blood oranges, muddled it down with a little bit of gin and sparkling water. All right, let's get started. So first off, I want to take this Brick-A-Brac, which is this orange shade, in the paint pot, and I'm just going to take that with a fluffy brush, and I want to sweep this across the entire lid. So you know the great thing about these ProLongwear paint pots is not only are they cream shadows, but they also act as eyeshadow primer. So this is our eyeshadow primer today. So I'm taking this all over the lid because you know I'm a little melanated over here. This orange, this Brick-A-Brac, is going to warm up our eyelids really nicely, and I'm taking this all the way up and stopping in the socket area. Take a little bit of the Brick-A-Brac and we're gonna go underneath as well. Look how pretty this is on a deeper skin. Oh. And as a FYI, beauty besties, if you see anything that you like, there's a link in my description box of this video, and you can click on that link and it takes you straight to the MAC website and you can purchase from there. Next up, I'm taking Can't Afford This from the Art Library palette and its designer, fluffy brush. And we're gonna set this, but we're gonna put this on right in the center of the crease and work that back and forth. Look how vibrant that is. Ooh, yes, please. So the shadow is gonna help to set it and also give it a little bit more vibrancy as well. So we have the Brick-A-Brac and Can't Afford This on. Next up, we're gonna use Black Mirror. Ooh, Black Mirror is this matte black. Love it. We're gonna take Black Mirror with a flat brush, and we're gonna go right into the lash line here to begin to smoke this out. Fluffy brush, we're gonna take that. We're gonna go back and forth side to side. All right, we're taking the Black Mirror, we're going on the outer corner. We're bringing it in. We're taking my favorite, it's called Bougie, baby. You know, it was named after me. And we're gonna take a flat brush, low both sides. We're gonna go in. We're gonna lay this down. Look how magical this color is. Oh, this is gorgeous. So we're doing almost like a cut crease. Use the actual like tip of the brush to outline the shape you want for your cut crease. And then just pull down. I'm gonna take Starry Night right here. Mix with a little bit of Gallerina. And we're pressing it on to get that nice green. So this is a little bit more of a teal, but it's still St. Patrick's Day inspired. Boom. The Starry Nights and the Gallerina right here. And we're gonna go underneath as well. Black Mirror Gonna go in the outer corner, right through here. We're gonna press it in, perfect. We're gonna blend it inward. We're gonna take our eyeliner in the waterline. We're using black. I'm gonna take it and gently pull out, up, and around. So we're gonna make this slightly a diffused wing liner. Like so. Boom! Let's go back with finishing touches. Starry Night and Gallerina. Right on the lid. Taking a little bit of My Kid Could Make That. This nice lime green. We're gonna pop this in on the bottom. Light cleanup. All right, so we're almost done. Let's add a little bit of highlight. You know, I'm obsessed with this Lumiere illuminator. Let's do a little bit of that. We're gonna pop that right through the center of the apple of the cheeks. We're gonna pull this up. Oh, look how yummy the skin looks. Ow, look at that glow. Yes. All right, guys, and then we have it. Our St. Patrick's Day inspired makeup, utilizing some of the MAC ProLongwear paint pots. Bougie, Brick-A-Brac, yes, for this fiery orange, and the smoke and the drama utilizing Black Mirror, along with Can't Afford This, My Kid Can Make That, Starry Night, and Gallerina. Oh, before I forget, let's do some mascara. Let's curl these lashes, throw on some mascara. Now we're gonna do a little In Extreme Dimension mascara. Now, if you wanna throw on a false lash, in the words of Tabitha Brown, that's your business, go ahead and do it. But we're gonna throw on mascara today, baby. Look at these lashes, look at this look. Guys, I hope you love this look. You know what to do. Subscribe to the channel if you like this video if you like, and leave me a comment. Most importantly, check the notifications and make sure they're turned on. Come on with this tutorial. Enjoy your St. Patrick's Day or whatever you decide to do. But in the meantime, who loves you? I do, and I'll see you next time. Bye.